my monkeys! Today I'm going to be playing with Elephant Head. This is my best friend, by the way. So, what do you want to do, Elephant Head? Oh, what are you doing?
Oh no. Go to the beach.
Today we are going to go to the beach with Elephant Head. Okay, see you there. Okay, monkeys, we are now going into beach. Let's go, Elephant Head. Time for rope.
Yay.
No, I missed. It's so hard with the bud tracking and hand tracking.
Come on.
My arm is glitching again. No.
I'll wait for you up here.
Okay. Oh, I fell again.
I see your orange head.
Yay! I'm going.
You made it. Let's go.
Okay. Dang it! I still failed. To get the zip line.
No.
Finally, I got it.
Walk over. I'm walking with
I'm gonna get water balloon.
Coming.
Banana. Belly. Elephant Head, there's a rainbow in the sky.
Where? Howdy.
Come on, Elephant Head. Water balloons. Yeah. Yeah. You hurt me.
So, let's go somewhere.
I made it. I fell. I'm in the water now. Let's swim.
Go up that rope.
No, I'm gonna swim. The shark. Sharky. I need to get the shark. No! Sharky, don't run away from me. I'm coming. Up here. I'm gonna go down here. Whee! No, I fell! At least it wasn't that far. Why am I struggling so hard? Not that hard. Okay, Orange Head, you got this.
I'm coming,
Finally.
Ocean.
Yay. I'm gonna turn hand tracking off because this is getting too out of hand.
I'll see you over there.
Okay. Okay, I got my controller now. I got my controllers. And I have banana. So, let's go. Oh, eh, 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 eh. Oh, I'm gonna go down here. Come on, Elephant Head. I'm going ziplining.
Help me.
I'm gonna jump.
No, where'd you go?
I'm up here. I'm down here.
Come on.
Where should we go now?
Go. Okay. You. Chucky.
Sharky!
Get over here.
Get over here, Sharky. Sharky! I got the Sharky!
No, I want the Chucky. Come on.
I'm riding the Sharky. Eee.
I want to like it.
I'm going underwater. Eee. Oof, oof.
I'm going to get you.
Yay. Wee. Ooh. Yay. I'm going under the ship. I'm going under the ship. Oh. Wee. Yay. I have Sharky.
We have a girl.
But Sharky's still gonna move no matter what.
And what?
Sharky over here.
Chucky.
Get Sharky quickly. No. Elephant.
Yo, Chucky, Chucky. I got Chucky.
No.
No, I let go. Chucky, let me get you. I got Chucky.
Now you can ride it on it and I'll chase it. Oh.
No,
No.
Chucky, Chucky.
It's a turkey. No. What does this do? What does this do? What if I go past this? Yee. The ocean never lets me shine. Yee. Yee.
Chucky.
Sharky! Sharky! Sharky!
How do I go underwater?
You got to push down with your hands.
Chucky, I'm coming. Chucky, Chucky, Chucky. I got Chucky.
Yay! Now don't let go of Sharky.
Trevor,
I'm right
quick.
here.
Come on, quick. Trevor just crossed you.
Okay. Eee. Oh, I let go.
No, come quick.
No, just keep holding on. I don't need a ride. I already ride that thing. That shark.
Whoa, this is cool.
Could I get out the map?
I let go.
No. Eee. 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 Okay. Eee. I missed it. Eee. Where else do you want to go? I guess this is going to be the end of the video. I'm just having a little bit more fun before I leave the beach. Oh, I hit the wall. Eesh, 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 eesh. Eesh. Grab on. Now hold on. Ooh, okay. Now climb up. Ooh. No!
Wee.
Hold my hand. No! You got this. You got this elephant head. Wait, let's just make the ending of the video right here. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. We will have elephant head in more videos, right?
Yes.
Okay. So I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.
Goodbye.